Hey everybody, welcome back to Needy Cat Media. This is W, and here's another how-to video. So my cousin was over the house, walks up the steps, grabs onto the railing, and well, you can see what happened. So today we're going to disconnect this and we're going to fix it. That's the game plan. Alright, first thing we got to do is disconnect this so we can mess around with that. I take this off because, one, it's just easier, at least for me. And yes, I've done this a couple different times, right? To be able to pull these out. And it looks like this has been relocated one other time, but we are going to use that. So we're going to do something a little bit different. Again, down at Lowe's. These are drywall anchors. This is not drywall. So I'm sure it worked for a little while, but not what it's meant for. And what we're going to use, we're going to use these toggle bolts. Now you guys probably can't see them. The light's pretty bad. We'll see how it is. But toggle bolts. Great thing about these is they go in. You squish these down and it goes in. And then as soon as it comes out, it clips. And then all you do is screw it in. And it'll hold right behind the plasterboard with this. Once we fix this, this will never come out again. And these holes are big enough. I just hope I don't do that. I'll be right back. I'm going to clean that up, make it 10 times easier to push in. Okay, gang. Couple different things. And look, I'm not a handyman. I do it the way I do it. It works for me. There's probably, you know, I'm not a contractor. So a contractor is going to look at this and say, well, why the hell did you do it that way? I don't know. Got a hacksaw blade and got a screwdriver. You know, I just want to clean this out a little bit and make it easy to get that toggle bolt in. We're going to take these out. We're going to put them in here. And these do fit, by the way. I'm using, what am I using? 3/16 2 inches. That way once this gets set in there, it is not going to come back out. And then we're going to insert these. You guys watching? Until they pop. And they are locked in there, guys. Now we will tighten them up. The toggle bolts are in, and look, you can see that is never ever going to come out. And yes, you could put one here. I just chose not to. I'm lazy, but you know, if you're going to do it right, you could also put one here. But again, these things are never ever going to come out. I could hang on these things. So next thing we're going to do is, you know, we're going to get some of this dry deck spackle and we're going to fill it in and make it look pretty. Yes, there's probably a better way to do this. Like fill it all in, make it look pretty, and then go ahead and do it. But I just think this is, you know, easier. The other thing too is, don't make fun of me. I went downstairs and I couldn't find my my putty knife. So look, next best thing, piece of cardboard. So we'll fill this in and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so this still has to dry a little bit, but you know, as you can see, the spackle filled in all the holes. I put this back up here. It is very, very solid. It's exactly what you want. You know, you don't want to be walking up the steps or have one of your family members grab onto it and have them rip it out of the wall. So I'm going to go ahead and put these screws back in, and we're good to go. I think probably tomorrow I'll come back through and I'll paint this wall just so it matches up and looks prettier, but that's it, gang. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. Again, toggle bolts are the way to go. Those plugs don't work. You can pull them out after time, but the toggle bolts are the best thing to use, I believe anyway, and that's how you install them. Thanks again for watching. As always, stay safe, stay healthy.